Hello everyone, welcome back. Okay, so we discussed how the for loop is working and how it is iterating the data and how it is work with the range and how it is work with the letters and the list. Let's try with some real-time example. And this example is pretty much is going to cover how the for loop is working against the dictionaries. Okay, so I'm going to create a user-defined dictionary which holds a list of female employees and male employees. Okay, and then I'm going to check what are the employee names contains a specific letter. So let me create a collection first. So employees, or I'm going to be employee emp and collection, and it has to be key and value pair, male employees and female employees. Okay, I can have some male employees. I'm going to keep it as a list of employee names here. So Dennis, Matthew and John and the female employee list, Nancy, Black Widow and Jenny. So I have an employee collection, I mean a dictionary which holds male and female employees. I'm going to iterate this particular dictionary with the help of for loop and iterating the data, and then I'm checking what are the names which contains a specific character. Let me write a for loop for key in. So I'm going to collect all the keys from the dictionary. So we know the way how you need to collect all the keys from a particular dictionary with the using the help of keys, and we do have something else also, keys and something called items. Okay, so here we are going to use amp dot keys method. So what the key contains now, let's print and see. Run. See, it contains male and female, which is nothing but the key of the employees. Okay, so I'm going to iterate the data from this particular employee list. Okay, let me try something like this. Employee of let me try. See, you can print the data as well. You can pass the key and you can retrieve the data. Okay, so now I'm not going to print the data here. I'm going to iterate the another for loop which will loop the list of values here. So I'm going to write another for loop here for name in amp of key, and I'm checking if in name. So here you can place whatever the character which you want to check. For example, in this, and I'm going to check whether my name, whether the employee name contains T. Okay, so if any employee name contains T, we will print the employee name here. Name. Okay, let's save it. Let's take the data. Dennis, Matthew. So it has T, so it will print Nancy, Black Widow, and Jenny. So only one name contains the T. Okay, so our expectation is the outcome has to be Matthew. Let's run this. Cool. So we got the data what we are expecting. Let's try something else. Let's try some other data. Let's try A. Most of the names contains A. Oh no, no, only Matthew and Nancy and Black Widow. Okay. Now let me run this. So we got three names: Matthew, Nancy, and Black Widow. So this is how you need to iterate a list of employees, and also this is the way you need to iterate the data from the dictionaries. Okay, the first for loop, this is for iterate the first level, which is nothing but the key. It contains, it will take all the keys. So when we got the key, with the help of key we can iterate the data inside the key. And this is iterate the second level of data, which is nothing but the list of employees, the male and female employees. And this is the condition. This can be, it can be anything, so it's up to you. Okay, you can put any characters here to check that, or if you want to check in a specific name, you can simply check if a name, yeah, a particular name contains a name, then you can check that. Okay, so that's also possible. So before you move on to the other concept, as a programmer we must know how we can use the for loop effectively. Okay, so in a single word, we can simply say we cannot write a program without a for loop in a most of the scenarios. Okay, just try to work out this for loop and try with your own examples, and let me know if you guys stuck somewhere else. I can help you. Okay, thank you guys.